It is February the 20-somethingth. We are out searching for waterfall. Riding the Tiger 900 Rally Pro. Look off in the distance there. Start off with a beautiful view. Stop for that. Up here in the Cascade Mountains of Washington State. Stunning. Snowy and rugged looking up there. We're going to, continue on our way here. Beep, beep. So the Tiger's been fantastic. Both of them have been fantastic bikes. Get the itch. You watch YouTube videos and you see the newer ones coming out. This is a 2022. It's been stellar so far. Great bike. But you watch the newer ones and get that, you get a few more horsepower. A little bit smoother engine maybe. Less vibration. Although I don't feel a ton of vibrations that people complain about on this bike. Felt it a little bit in the hands. Go numb sometimes. I got these grip puppies that seem to help a little bit with that. But I guess you can't keep chasing the new bike, or maybe you can if you're a rich man or woman. Sometimes you just got to appreciate what you got, and this is a fabulous bike. So I got to quit looking at the new ones because this thing is stellar. Ride this for a few more years and appreciate it. I see a lot of people on YouTube end up making waterfalls their destination, so it wasn't really my plan to consistently do that, but check that out today. First Tiger I had was when I lived in the Seattle area of Washington, USA. I had to say that I just didn't enjoy the riding in that neck of the woods at all. So I didn't get it out as much as I wanted to. There's a long ways to go to get to the fun roads like this. When you live in Seattle, and getting out there is a dangerous game. Freeways and traffic, and did not enjoy it at all. In fact, I ended up selling the Tiger and went the route of a side-by-side, but that was short-lived. Went back to the motorcycles. Much more fun, in my opinion. We moved out of Seattle. Really, the riding just opened up. I mean, up here, this is just fantastic. Get out of the city a little bit. Whole nother experience. Fantastic road there in Mosquito Lake. We're going to hit the other side of it. Just a little bit further north. There's the Nooksack River. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But anyways, up here is a bridge with a viewing spot that is specifically for bald eagle viewing. I don't know why they do that. Like the bald eagles just read that and decide to hang out there. Seldom the case. So I don't know if we'll see any bald eagles at that spot. No train, that's good. Rather not get hit by a train today. Got me a new Moscow Moto hood tank bag. Never had tank bags before. Never been a fan. Thought they looked ugly. Getting away. This one's not super big. I think it's about 5 liters. I think it looks sexy as hell. Doesn't get in the way. Get a little bit of crotch rub. You stand up on the motorcycle. Not bad. Keep your goodies dry. It's completely waterproof. Oh, what's that up there on the power line? Hey buddy. An eagle? Hawk? I'm no ornithologist. I can tell you it wasn't a robin or a sparrow. Even a hummingbird. Just eliminated a bunch of things that it's not. Maybe I am an ornithologist. Need to rethink things a little bit. Alright, continuing onward here. Another beautiful shot of the Nooksack River. I think this is the Bald Eagle viewing bridge I was talking about. Little swath of blue up there, beautiful mountains. And this is such a pretty area. We get a lot of rain here in Washington State, but makes for a lot of green. It is beautiful. Don't move here because it rains too much. It sucks. It's cold, rainy. Everybody jumps off of bridges because they're sad, not for the thrill of it. Yeah. So anyways, I was talking about the Tiger, what I love about the Tiger. One of the things I don't love about the Tiger is these heated grips. I got another bike, I got a CRF 300 Rally. Put Oxford heated grips on that thing, and those things get hot. These stock heated grips on the Tiger leave a little to be desired, a lot to be desired. They are warm on all settings, warmish. The hottest settings certainly does not feel like the hottest setting. Kind of takes the chill off, but does not really heat your hands up. So I find that in the 40s, especially the low 40s, can be a little bit cold out in the, if you're going fast. 50s are good, and beyond that you don't really need them. But in the 30s, man, these things are painful. Can't really ride for very long. I think heated gloves might be a better route. You're going to be doing the super cold riding, which I don't really have. Heated gear. What am I talking about? I got heated grips and a heated seat. Heated seat is nice. Never thought I'd like it. Alright, we got some gravel. Wonder if anybody's going to be up here. I was up here on a weekend and only one other car, and then by the time we left there were about 10 other cars. I'm going to switch off to off-road mode so I don't get any wheel spin here if it's hilly. Left this on one time, my first off-road, left it on road mode once. Couldn't figure out why when I was climbing hills, the bike wouldn't have any power. Because it didn't want to spin. It said, hey dummy, switch me to off-road mode. I don't know how many roads are up here. Doing an awesome job of hitting every one of these bumps just perfectly. I gotta pee really bad. These bumps are not my favorite right now. Oh! I'm gonna have to get up out of my seat, but I'm feeling lazy. Let's get up. Now I feel that tank bag. Feels like some added support in my nether regions. Let's say I'm super fond of that. Wonder if we'll see anybody up here. Brought the drone. Last time I just got this drone, a little DJI Mini from Costco around Christmas time, and haven't really flown it much. Flew it around the yard one time, then brought it up here to this waterfall, and I damn near lost it. I realized that I probably need a little bit more practice before flying it in places that are a little bit more challenging here. We got a jogger up here. Where are you running from? Beautiful place to run. So I really feel these straps on this tank bag on my knees when standing up, right where my knees are. Can't say I'm fond of that either, but I guess you get used to it. I'm already used to the crotch thing, and maybe I like it. This little Park a nice spot there for chilling out. Whoa. Trying to dodge these as best I can. Thing I need on this bike is maybe some different foot pegs. I still have the stock ones, and I know the rubber pieces pull out. You get a little bit slippery when you leave those in on the, or standing up on the pegs. Too lazy to take them out, but maybe I should. I want to learn the hard way that I should have taken them out, but I am kind of a dumbass, so what you gonna do? If I crash now because my foot slips, it'll be recorded and everybody will know I'm a dumbass, rather than just speculating based on what I told you. Alright, there's a parking spot up here where I know you can walk up. I think you can walk up to the waterfall. Nobody's here. That's nice. And there's this road. I don't know where that goes. Alright, well, we're going to stay on the main road. Ooh, a little slippery there. Only got some new tires on this bad boy last year. Oh, wait, I gotta shut up and check this out. Oh, very pretty indeed. Anyways, new tires on this bad boy last summer. The Motaz Tractionator GPS. As I started dipping into more of the off-road stuff. Been really good tires. Great on roads like this, gravel roads. Haven't done a lot of like single track crazy stuff. And anyways, they work well on these forest roads, gravel roads, and they're great on the street, so they're a nice compromise. The unfortunate part is when I got them last summer, put them on, first ride out off-road, well, first ride anywhere really, which was a mountain road, picked up a big old screw, and that was the end of that tire. I didn't find it safe to plug it and keep running it. I did plug it and felt like, yeah, I should just get a new tire. I don't want to get in a situation where that plug comes out. It's a pretty big screw. Alright, so here is the waterfall. Looks like there's one other car here. The trail to the waterfall, I should say. I'm going to go a little further because I'm curious where this road goes. Maybe I'll come back and they'll be gone. I'll have it all to myself. I can fly my drone in it like a maniac. So before I had a drone, I realized how much I hated drones. People flying drones can be really super annoying, invasive. And then I became one of these idiots. Not good. There's another trail there. If these all go to the waterfall, different areas. I'm kind of thinking they do. It's bumpy up here. Oh, there. Oh, wow. Damn near dumped the bike right there just to look at this waterfall for you. All right, I'm going to roll back here real slow. Get another shot of that. The only thing about this bike, wish it was about 200 pounds lighter. I'll take 100. Look at that. Beautiful. Meep, meep. Second year, idiot. Alright, we didn't kill it. It's all good. Oh man, I'm so loving these blue skies. Oh, this is going to be epic right here. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, some super loose gravel is what we got here. Oh man, beautiful, super nice. Spin myself out of this. There we go. Woo! Keep going up. Temperature's still nice. 48 degrees. Comfortable. Oh, no. Gates open. Alright. See another waterfall. This is not the waterfall I was talking about, by the way. Look at that. Super cool. Well, my thoughts of this going back to the river, I think, are not right. So maybe going to the source of the river in the mountains. Woohoo! Love these roads. So I better not hot dogging too much here by myself again. Although this is a pretty mellow road. Still going up, 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 up. Really don't want to jump into the snow. So will we see another car up here? I'm thinking no. A motorcycle up here? Haven't seen any bikes all the way up here yet today. People, oh, I thought that was a waterfall again. People are probably working. There's one. I have such a hard time stopping. Still gotta go pee and I can't get myself to stop. It's like I gotta see what's around the next corner. And the next corner, and the next corner. Pretty soon I piss my pants. So we're gonna have faith in humanity. Leave the bike here as we continue onward this trail to the waterfall. So that person on the road on the way up here has inspired me to jog. We're jogging in full motorcycle gear, which is interesting. Tiring, uncomfortable, probably stupid, but it's good exercise. Oh, these boots. Good thing they're not motocross boots. Whew. I'm gonna bite it, but at least I'm protected. Should put my helmet on too. Alright, I'm gonna walk. Hear that? I think we're getting close. An interesting walk with motorcycle boots on. Hopefully it'll fall in. If we do, I guess this isn't a bad place to go. Oh boy. Magic. Stunning. how to record this sound of Zen. So I guess Zen time is over. Beautiful place. So this concludes our ride to the waterfall, a moment of Zen. And we're headed back to reality now, which isn't so bad. Thanks for joining me. Please like, subscribe, join me on my next journey. Until then, hope all your rides are safe, wonderful, stay beautiful. Bye-bye.
Reasons were surround you, dismissing like a damn fool, but I'll seek to change you, not in any shape or